I've been working as a full-time AR creator and a freelance consultant for about a year and a half. And a question I get a lot from beginner AR creators who are trying to make their living from this work is how much they should charge, right? And I will tell you objectively how much I charged for my first commission and how much I charge for commissions now versus a survey I did where I asked a lot of AR creators about how much they charge for commissions. Okay, so when I started 1.5 years ago, I sort of built my portfolio in Spark AR and I went hunting for clients and I found my first client who paid me 2,000 rupees for a hat and a beard effect. So that was my first ever commission. Okay, and fast forward to now, and for commissions, a base price that I charge for any commission is around 50,000 rupees, and that is around $500 to $600. That is the base price I charge. Doesn't matter if it's a basic LUT effect. That is the base price I charge. Okay, and on top of it, I charge a flat fee or day rate based on the type of commission it is and based on the type of work it is. And that is because I have built a track record. Okay, I've worked with a lot of clients. I've had a lot of experience. I've had a lot of media exposure. So I have the capability to prove myself as long as the proof, social proof, digital proof to back what I'm telling my clients. And if you're someone who's just starting out, you don't have a client list, you don't have a portfolio, you should build your own portfolio with personal projects, personal effects. And for you, beginners like you, who are wondering about what you should charge, and this might come as a reference point for other freelancers also, is sorry, the light stopped working. So I was saying that for beginners who are just starting out and want to know how much they should charge, I went out and did a survey with a lot of AR creators about what they charged as a beginner, and in different markets from US to Brazil to India to different creators. And the average, okay, here's the juicy part. The average starting commission across the board is between $50 to $150. Okay, in Indian rupees, that is about 4,000 to 15,000 rupees for a single effect, single commission. Okay, and that is a reference point for you when you go to clients with your work. So yeah, I wanted to make a quick video about pricing strategy because a lot of people come up to me and they ask me about what they should charge and how much I charge, etc. So yeah, here it is, everything in the open.